Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna make a simple juice today. I'm gonna be using my juicer machine to make this beautiful juice. All right. So basically, I have some green apple right here. I'm gonna just simple cut into half, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of my blender. I'm using the juicing machine, guys, so if you have one, it's much better for you. If you don't have one, you can use a blender. So I'm just using one. I'm using 2 apple. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a piece of a ginger. Ginger is just really nice in it. Also, I'm gonna put a piece of a lemon, roughly about quarter of a lemon inside of it. I'm just gonna blend it, and then I'm gonna put some cucumber. All right, let's start it, guys. Also, I'm gonna put a piece of cucumber. That is lovely and nice, fantastic. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Look at this juice. What I'm gonna do, so early in the morning, you need something like this. This is amazing. Fantastic. You can taste that beautiful ginger. Look at the ginger, beautiful. The lemon, the cucumber, and the apple. It's amazing. I love it. Thank you for watching. Cheers. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo. Bye-bye. I'm back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo, guys. It's fantastic and amazing to have you watching me in the kitchen again and again and again. But I'm not in the kitchen, I'm outside in the open, beautiful back garden. You know what I mean? The sun wanna come out, but the sun is out. You know what I mean? I don't know what's going on, but it will come out. Anyway, I went to the supermarket and I brought myself some fresh broccoli. I love broccoli. I love it when they cook it. I love it when they make soup with it. And now I'm going to show you how you can do yourself a lovely juice at home. If you have a juicer machine like this one, you are very good to go. If you have a ninja blender like this, you can also use it to do your juice at home. All right. The only thing with this one is a lot of cleanup when you finish use it. You know what I mean? But I like it. I love it, and it works really perfect for me. So what I'm gonna do is, no doubt, I'm going to, you know what I mean, get my broccoli, and I'm gonna simply cut it up into some small pieces and put it straight inside of the blender. I'm using a juicer machine now. I always use the juicer machine in enough of my video, but I just decided because of summer, I decided to turn it around and do something. I got some fresh, lovely ginger. I'm putting some ginger inside of it. Let's put a lovely chunk, a piece of a ginger inside of it. All right. The stalks of the broccoli, a lot of person would be throwing away that because I'm said, "Chow, he doesn't, you know what I mean, he doesn't want to." But I'm saying that is the best part, is the stalk of the broccoli. It's just amazing. All right, guys. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now. I'm gonna blend everything through the juicer machine. All right, let's start it on. can see, got one more broccoli, so I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna put half of a lemon inside of it. Beautiful, look at that. And that's it. It's so easy, guys. But I mean, as I said, if you have a juicer, you can use one. But if you don't have one, you can use a normal blender at home. There's a lot of cleanup when they use this one. Alright? But at the end of the day, it's worth it. You know what I mean? Everything come out, and not only that, the beautiful thing with it, the trash go one side. So this is the trash right here. You know what I mean? It's sucked out and put the trash one side. It's just amazing. You know what I mean? The juicer machine right here. So if you have one, use it. Don't just put it down in your cupboard and don't want to use it. You know what I mean? Please use it. Alright, cheers. And this is how we normally do it. So if you wake up early in the morning, this is something which you need to do right here. Beautiful broccoli juice. It's fresh and nice. The flavor, the taste, you don't need no honey, you don't need no sugar, no sweetener, nothing. You just need to just drink it just as it is, just to help you to boost your immune system and strengthen your immune system, guys. Amazing drink. If you like it, please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. I love every one of your respect, and you know what I mean, as I said, more recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo. That's me alone working today.